Hello and welcome to the 2013 Buy-Side Technology Awards here in London. My name is James Rundle. I'm the Deputy Editor of Waters and WatersTechnology.com here in London, and I'm here with Jim Trotter, Managing Director of Performance and Reporting Services at Buy-Side. Jim, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
So, Jim, attribution, performance, these are all essential areas in any buy-side organisation. So in terms of what you're hearing from your clients at the moment, what are they asking you for, and has that changed from what they've historically been asking for?
I think the answer is a bit of yes, a bit of no, a bit of new stuff, a bit of old stuff. I sort of call it the three Ps. One is around presentation. Historically, performance and attribution teams very much lived in the world of Microsoft, Excel spreadsheets, access database type of thing. Clients are looking much more at digital technologies, and we've recently launched our B portal to try and sort of answer that. So I think technology type stuff. The other piece around sort of platform, historically BISAM very much known as a local install of software, big implementation costs, big IT costs. More and more individuals and organisations are looking at the cloud, so we're looking next year to formally launch a cloud service that I've joined to sort of head up, a SaaS type offering, so platform sort of changes. And the third one really is the sort of old thing. It's mainly around the product, making sure it can keep up to date with demands from clients. So for example, this sort of theme around multi-asset class investment seems to have come round again with a bit of a twist, so it's really been able to support that from a product perspective.
I mean, how much has that multi-asset, cross-asset strategy kind of area affected the performance measurement and reporting functions?
Some. I mean, I think people have got different views on what that actually means.
Sure.
And obviously it's not new. I mean, if you look at, say, the UK market, the concept of balanced multi-asset class pretty much prevailed in the 80s and 90s. I think the twist now is people are throwing in alternative type aspects to it, so more derivatives, things like ETFs. There's a lot more sort of tactical and strategic allocation decisions, so for a pension fund, for example. So it's making sure that your capability can support that added sort of layering or nesting or decision making, that hierarchy decision making that's going on, and that's the sort of main challenge around it, I'd say.
Tackling the complexity and the sort of the levels.
Yeah, and just looking. It's all about transparency, and a lot of these alternative investments that they'll throw into that multi-asset class. It's getting access to the data, having capabilities that can drill through in that, and sort of blowing it out in a sense. So that's the added slant, I'd say, which can get very complex. Yeah,
absolutely. So looking ahead to 2014, I mean, what do you feel are the areas that your clients should be focused on? Is it just sort of bringing in this technology, moving away from Excel? Is it going towards the cloud? What's the...
It's a combination of old and new again, and rather than three Ps, it's a bit of an E. It's about efficiency in a number of areas. So a lot of organisations still survive on multiple platforms, so trying to get them as efficient as possible when they're trying to talk to each other. So integration of platforms, or people are reducing the number of platforms. It's really about efficiency from a production point of view or a product point of view again, and that impacts both the large managers who want to scale, but similarly for small asset managers who want to grow. They want to get scale with the platform as they grow, so they're not, as a performance team, you're not always going and asking for more headcount. You get production efficiencies and you can add more value. So it's a combination of that, and then really back to my first P, it's about efficiencies and presentation. It's not just about your internal fund managers and sending them lots of information. It is about things like the cloud and linkages to your external client, the asset owners and consultants, for example. So it's trying to round that off rather than just within your organisation.
Great. Well, Jim Trotter, thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you.